Hello बच्चों, let's explore our new chapter of maths, chapter number 8, spot the position. Okay, so let's understand this with this picture first. Okay, so can you tell me who is nearest to the finish line here? Is this Harry, Kiara, or Dia? Correct. Harry is nearest to the finish line. Correct? Yes. Now, can you tell me who is farthest from the finish line? Correct. Dia is farthest from the finish line. So, we can say in the race, Harry scored the first position and Kiara scored the second position and Dia scored the third position, right? Yes. So when we place things or people in order, we say first, second, third, and so on to show their positions, right? And we call these numbers as ordinal numbers. What do we call them? We call them ordinal numbers, right? Yes. Now, let's understand this with another example of this one. Okay? So, one day a teacher asked Harry and other students to form a line as shown here. Now, let's look into the position of each student from the teacher using the ordinal numbers. Okay? So, at first, what we are going to do? We are going to write the ordinal numbers starting from Ron to Karthik, right? Yes. So, let's write the ordinal numbers. Now, here we have the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. Now, let's learn how we pronounce them. Okay? Let's start this with Ron. So, we can say Ron is standing in the first position and we can write first as this and in words like this. Correct? Yes. So, let's move further with Naira. We can say Naira is standing in the second position. Correct? Yes. Now we can say for Shiv is standing in the third position. Correct? Yes. Now let's move further and identify the position of each one of them. Correct? Okay. Let's move for Fiza. Fiza is standing in the fourth position. In which position? Fourth position, right? Yes. In the same way, we can say John is standing in the fifth position. In which position? Fifth position, correct? Yes. Now we can say Sia is standing in the sixth position, correct? Yes. And David is standing in the seventh position. Okay? Well done. Now let's identify the position of Dev. That is eighth, right? So we can say Dev is standing in the eighth position. Correct? Yes. Now let's find the position of Harry. That is ninth. So we can say Harry is standing in the ninth position. Okay? Yes. And where is Karthik standing? Correct. Karthik is standing in the 10th position. In which position? 10th position. Correct? Well done. Now, let's look into the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10 and revise them. How do we write them? In two ways. That is, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Correct? Yes. And how do we write it in the numbers? That is 1, and we use ST to write the ordinal number for first, right? Yes. And for second, we write the number 2 and use the two letters, that is N and D. Okay? Now, for third, we write the number 3 and use the letters R and D. So we write the third as 3RD. Correct? Yes. And for fourth, we write it as 4TH. We call it as fourth. Okay? Yes. So, and for fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and tenth, we use TH. What we use? We use TH after the number. And for first, we use ST. For second, we use 2 and ND. And for third, we use 3RD. Correct? Yes. So, well done, kids. Now we will meet in our next session. Till then, take care and have fun while you learn.